Happy New Year, you guys, because this is my first video of the year and I'm so happy to be back in front of this camera, okay, period. But as you can see, I kind of got straight into doing my makeup because I didn't want to waste no time. As you can see from the title, this is going to be an easy, simple Valentine's Day beat. Everybody could accomplish this, but for right now I am priming my eyes with my concealer. You guys already know I always use the Juvia's Paste concealer to prime my eyes to just get them ready for my eyeshadows. And from the Aina palette, I am going to place Credit as my transition color. You guys already know this brown is everything, and this is the best transition color out of the palette to me personally. And then right after that color, I'm going to pop Supreme, which is this nice pretty pink. I really love this pink a lot, and actually I am in love with the Aina palette. You guys know that I am quick to jack her for everything, for my everyday glam. As you can see, for Valentine's Day, whatever holiday, I am going to be using Aina palette. And then I'm going to go in with Wigalese, which is this nice shimmer color. It is red. It is so pretty, you guys. I just sprayed my brush with my setting spray to get that pigment popping, and as you can see, it is coming together. Now I'm going back in with those two shades, which is Supreme and Credit, just to kind of buff out the outer corners. The eyes was looking pretty much bland to me, so I just went in and added a wing. You guys, this is super optional. If you don't know how to do a wing, it is totally fine. Just put your lashes on, and I'm telling you, you are still gonna look bomb. As for lashes, I'm going to be using Berry Jane lashes, of course, and this is in the style Dream. You guys, I just want to put out there that I am going super fast, but please bear with me. I did moisturize my face with the Cetaphil lotion, and then I prime my face, as you guys already know. And now I am going in with my foundation, and for foundation today, I am going to be using Estee Lauder mixed with, and I am using Morphe. I kind of forgot what the name was, so I said Estee Lauder, but I did mix the two foundations together. Super fire together. As you guys can see, the skin is looking very much even. I am using my Juvia's Paste brush. You guys know this is my favorite brush to use when it comes to my foundation. It's super, I don't know, I really like this brush a lot. I always use it, so hey, you guys should try it out. I am going to take my beauty blender, and my beauty blender is to take off any excess foundation off my face. As for concealer, I am going to be using my Juvia's Paste concealer. Oh my god, you guys, creamy is not even a word. I love this concealer. I've been using this concealer for the winter, and it's been coming in handy. It keeps the eyes moisturized, and it also keep high coverage. You guys know that I have dark circles. It's not so bold, but when you're doing your makeup, you want to make sure that you're covering your dark spots, okay? And my under eye is considered my dark spot. But for contour, if it didn't, it's going so fast right now, I'm using Makeup by Mario contour stick, and I love this contour stick. I am fiending to try out his foundation, but it is sold out in supposedly the shade that they think is right for me. But I'm thinking about ordering it online because I think Sephora might have it available online. If you guys have the foundation, let me know in the comment section if it's good, okay? And we are blending out this concealer, you guys. I'm like, girl, come on. Now I'm blending out the concealer still with the beauty blender. You guys, blending is key. You want to just keep blending until it's looking super flawless together, okay? You want to make sure everything is cohesive. Now I'm applying my e.l.f. concealer. I got this concealer from Target. I do not remember the shade, but you guys know I always list everything in the description box below. So if any of you guys are interested in any products that I'm using, just scroll down and you will be just fine. For setting powder, I'm using my Beauty Bakery Flour Translucent Powder. I love this. It kind of reminds me of, I think I said it before, but it do remind me of Laura Mercier. It's just a little bit more like thicker. I don't know, I can tell the consistency difference between the two powders, but I do love this brand. I've been using it for the past few weeks and I'm obsessed with it. It does set underneath my eyes really nice and it does add brightness, so you guys should definitely try it out. I'm going in with my Black Radiant Contour Palette. You guys know I like to use this to set my contour, and then I use it as a bronzer as well, which add warmth back to my face. Super affordable. You can also get this at Target. As for pressed powder, I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth. You guys know, the best pressed powder of all time. It adds color back to your face, and it also gives your eyes, like the areas that you're applying this to, is going to look super soft and smooth, and it just gives yourself, I don't know, it makes everything just come together. It just blends everything so well. Look at the face, it's looking pretty good. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm using my setting spray, and this is the Mario Badescu, I think. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is super fire. It is rose water. I like to use this as a setting spray because, you know, skincare is also important. So I use this as in my skincare routine as well, and I also use it as my makeup routine. Now I'm just adding those shades, which is Credit and Supreme, to my under eye, and then I'm gonna go and add a black liner underneath it just to kind of bring the eyes together and give the eyes more of a pop. As you guys can see, I am feeling myself. I look super cute. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara to kind of bring out the bottom lashes a little bit more. And I'm going straight into the lips, you guys. I'm going so fast. I'm using Berry Jane Collections. You guys know I only use my brand for my lips. That is in the shade Jet Black. And then this lip gloss here is called Melt, which is my favorite lip gloss. It's a beautiful pink. And I always type it with a clear gloss. It doesn't matter where you get it from. It's just going to bring everything together. I look fire, and I'm so happy I did this look for you guys. You guys can achieve this look super easy. 1, 2, 3, straight to the point. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and getting this far into my video. Let's not forget to subscribe to your girl channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.